Namaste to everyone. Welcome to Daksh Yoga. My name is Praveen Kumar. Today we are going to focusing on traditional yoga pranayama, or you can say breathing exercise that would be helpful for your lifestyle, for reduce the stress, and also can reduce the belly fat from the breathing. Let's start today's session. First of all, you have to sit in a comfortable posture. If you're feeling pain on the ankle and your legs, you should use the block or can sit on the block. And breathing also can do on the chair, that's fine. If possible, please come in a Padamasana, a lotus pose. If not, you just can sit in a Siddhasana or cross your legs, that's fine. First breathing, it's Bhastrika Pranayam. Deep inhale and completely exhale. Breathing by nose and exhalation from the nostril, not from mouth. Simple exercise. Inhale, lungs breathing, flat your belly and exhale. Deep, completely. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more. Inhale, exhale. Next one. It's called Sudarshana Kriya. Consider as a Bhastrika Pranayam. Both hands up. Inhale and exhale. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Stretch your arms in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Next round, little fast. This is dynamic breathing, okay? In, hands down. Make sure when you're doing breathing, your face expression will be natural. No need forcefully like this. Don't do like that. It will be fully natural. If you're having pain on the arms, you can do like this. Catch your knee. The same breathing. Both hands in front of you. Similar. Inhale. In, out. In, out. Hands down. This is fully lungs breathing. Next one, it's called Kapal Bhati Pranayam. Kapal means forehead. Bhati means glow. How to bring glow on your face. How to bring glow on your forehead through breathing. First of all, focus on your core area. You can place your palm on the belly and second hand on your lungs. You can try like this. And inhale, exhale. Belly should be in, out. 1 second, one stroke. No need fast, easy and slow. In, out. Or you can try like this, both hands in Jnana Mudra, hands down, and relax your mind. Now focus on the breath again. Make sure when you're doing Kapalabhati, should make the set like first round for 1 minute, second round for 1 minute, then left third round for 1 minute, or you can do 2 minutes. But keep try focus to move your belly in when you breathe out. Don't lose your belly area. We will try once again. Both hands in Gyan Mudra. And now. Relax. Take a deep breath again 3 times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Next one. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. From the right hand, block your right nostril and breathe in from the left side. This is normal one. No need to focus on the fingers now. First focus on the breathing. Inhale from the left. And this is the fully lungs breathing, not belly. You can see the belly flat. And exhale from the right side. Inhale from the right. And exhale from the left. Now you can bend your first two fingers. Inhale. Exhale from the right. Inhale. Exhale from the left. Last round. Inhale from the left. Exhale. Inhale from the right. And exhale from the left. Okay. Whenever you are feeling stressed, tired, you can apply this breathing, Anulom Vilom Pranayam. You can reduce your stress. I'm 100% sure for that. Next one, it's called Brahmari Pranayam. There are many techniques for that, but yes, this is the best technique for you. Your little finger on the nostril area and two fingers on the eyes. Close your eyes and place your fingers gently and the first finger on the forehead, and your thumb will close your ear like this. This is the technique. And now you need to inhale first and exhale by sound. Like we are chanting Om. In the last stage of Om, we chanting we need to close the mouth, then breathe out. First, come in this position, fix elbows higher later, and inhale, exhale now. Again, inhale. Last one, inhale. Hands down. When you're doing Brahmari Pranayam, make sure your tongue should not touch to the teeth. And after the Brahmari, both hands in Gyan Mudra first. Now we are going to focus on holding the breath to improve your lungs capacity. Inhale, hold your breath, flat your belly. Let's see how long we can hold. You have to count by yourself. You can feel your heartbeat, or you just can count. Minimum will be 30 seconds, maximum up to you. It depends on your lungs capacity. When you are feeling tired, not enough strength to hold your breath, you can exhale. Then again, try to hold your breath. Inhale. You can close your eyes, can focus very well. And exhale. And then rub your palms. You can place on your eyes, place on your face, look your palms together. This is a breathing session today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment. Thank you.